Another super shake.
Ready for the summer.
It's a medium apple. I sliced it already. Put it right in the blender. Then we have 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger. A half a beet. I have a whole lemon here. Fresh, squeeze the lemon. A whole lemon goes right in it. Okay, so we have 1 cup of water. A shake of a turmeric, just a little bit, and a little bit of cinnamon.
Strong antioxidant, turmeric, beets. Can't wait to try it.
I think we're ready. Look at that.
Wow.
That's a beautiful drink.
Look at that color. Beets are like a superfood. They're great for the blood. They're great for controlling blood sugar. And then also you have ginger, which is good for digestion. You have turmeric, which is good for anti-inflammatory. See, I think another benefit of using the Magic Bullet in this application, it keeps the pulp, it keeps the fibers.
It's just so refreshing. Good energy every day.
Good energy every day, man. This is awesome.